Let's discuss a question from MPE, Manufacturing and Production Engineering. This is from Metrology. For the shaft hole pair of F8H10. Now, from this F8H10, you can say that the shaft. This is a clearance fit because F is basically for hole and small H is for your shaft. So this basically gives you an idea of that it's a clearance fit. But let's try to just draw from the reference line. The reference line is 100 mm. And let's first try to draw for the hole. The fundamental deviation, which is the lower deviation, F has to be above this reference line. And for hole, the fundamental deviation, which is the lower deviation. So lower deviation, so this is for hole. This lower deviation is given as 0.036 mm. So everything is in mm. And this is the tolerance in which all the shafts will lie, which is 0.0543. The fundamental deviation, which is upper deviation for shaft H. So there is no upper deviation for the shaft, and this is the shaft. So the shaft with the highest diameter will be basically 100 mm size, and the tolerance for the shaft is given as 0.13904. The maximum allowance. So obviously, if you take a shaft of minimum diameter, that is this diameter, and if you take a hole of the maximum dia, so this entire thing, if you try to have this combination, that is hole of the maximum diameter and the shaft of the minimum diameter, okay, then you get the maximum clearance. So the max clearance will be max dia of the hole minus the min dia of shaft. So which basically means you add up the tolerance of the hole, add up this lower deviation for the hole, add up the tolerance of the, so it basically means that add these three values. So if you add these three values, 0.0, this recording thing doesn't work sometimes, sorry for that, 0.0543 plus 0.036 plus 0.13904. Now you can do the other way also. You can get the maximum diameter for the hole, that will be 100 plus all this thing minus, okay, minus minimum diameter will be 100 minus 0.1394, and so ultimately it makes these three getting added, 100 getting cancelled, and so this value is 0.22934. So this is 0.22934. So the answer for this is B. Thank you.